Hello, I'm Uriel Castro from AVACOM. Visit our website avacomworld.com, and we are presenting in this case one big piece of our digital ecosystem for education. This is the pretty big table that we have here, 95 inches. We can use it as a board or we can use it as a table. As you can see, we can manipulate this in different areas. We can draw, we can change the different applications that we have preloaded. All these devices can work offline or online. We are reaching different areas of rural zones, so there is no problem with the continuity for the lessons. In this case, we are checking that we have different ways of manipulating multi-touch for different users at the same time, but also we have some other applications. Some of those applications are the medicine one, and for the youngest ones, using different sounds and drawings. We have preloaded this, and we can easily charge any kind of content that we want. So this is elementary school, and this can be used also in the little ones, and it can be teaching languages, science, or all kind of content. So visit avacomworld.com.